Hey, it's Dr. John DeGarmo here at the Foster Care Institute with this week's foster care tip. And this week we talk about visitations. We all know how important visitations are for the well-being of the child and the family and towards mental health, attachment, trust, and reunification. But visitations right now during the time of self-quarantine look a whole lot different. Many of us right now are having visitations taking place in our home through the power of video conferencing, Skype, Zoom, Facebook, phones, whatever it might be. Many foster parents though say, hey, this is a little hard for me. I'm really struggling with this. I feel a little uncomfortable about it. Well, here's a tip on how to make it a little bit easier. First of all, let the birth parents or family members know that you are going to be in the same room while this takes place, because you are monitoring it, if you will. You're like supervising it to make sure nothing is said that can be harmful towards the child in your home. Nothing can be harmful towards the reunification process. That nothing is said that should upset the child and disrupt the child's mental health, okay? And if something should be said, something should be harmful, if maybe false accusations are made of any kind, you simply document it. Talk about documentation in the best-selling book, The Foster Parenting Manual. Document it properly and let the caseworker know ASAP. Do you have to engage in the conversation? Do you have to engage in the visitation? No. Just turn it on, let them know that you're in the same room, and you can fold laundry, do dishes, read a book, whatever it might be. And then when the time is up, you simply say, hey, thanks so much, we enjoyed it, we will talk to you next time, and end it. Again, make sure you properly document what goes on in the conversation, how the child was beforehand, and how the child was afterwards. This is all part of visitation, and a little bit about documentation as well. Hey, if you like this tip, make sure you sign up for the free newsletter at the Foster Care Institute, where you'll find lots of resources, articles, very important CEUs, with the Foster Care Institute library of online training webinars, and so much more. For the Foster Care Institute and this week's tip of the week, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo. Cheers.